Hello everyone, welcome all to Physics with Aeronautics. So in this session we will discuss about 2022 cpet physics question, and this is the part 4. So let's begin. So here is the first question of the session, that is the ratio of intensity at maxima and in minima in the interface pattern is 25:9. What will be the ratio of the width of two slits in Young's interface experiment? And here the options are 16:1, 1:16, 9:16, and 16:9. So let's see what will be its solution. And here is the solution, that is intensity at maxima and in minima in the interface pattern is 25:9, which is given in the question. And we know that root I1 plus root I2 whole square by root I1 minus root I2 whole square, that is equal to 25/9 according to the question. So from here we can find the value of I1 and I2, that is equal to 16:1. And also the ratio of the width of two slits in Young's interface experiment will also d1 by d2 is equal to 16:1. So the answer is 16:1. Then for A as mass number of the nucleus, the volume of the nucleus is directly proportional to, and the options are a to the power 1 by 3, root a cube, and a. And we know that radius is proportional to a to the power 1 by 3. So obviously the volume will be proportional to that is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So r cube will be proportional to a. So the answer is a. Then in neutral atom, the electrons are bound to the nucleus pi, and the options are magnetic force, electrostatic force, gravitational force, and centripetal force. And here the answer will be electrostatic force. Then the distribution of energy spectrum of a perfectly black body is best represented by, and the options are Wien's law, Stephen's law, Planck's law, and Kirchhoff's law. And the answer will be Planck's law. Then three blocks P, Q, and R of same material and same mass are showing blue, yellow, and red by showing temperatures T1, T2, and T3 respectively. Choose the correct trend of temperature. Options are T1 is smaller than T2 is smaller than T3, T1 is greater than T2 is greater than T3, T2 is greater than T1 is greater than T3, T1 is greater than T3 is greater than T2. We know that lambda max is proportional to 1 by T, that is lambda max is inversely proportional to temperature. Again we know that lambda value of blue and is smaller than yellow and is smaller than red. So we can find from here that T1 will be greater than T2 and is greater than T3. So the correct answer is and option B, that is T1 is greater than T2 is greater than T3. Then the angle between the axis of a polarizer and analyzer is 60 degrees. At what percentage the intensity of light will decreases after passing through the analyzer? Options are 30%, 40%, 50%, and 60%. Actually the options are not matched to the answer. So let's see what will be its solution. So according to the question, the angle between the axis of a polarizer and analyzer is 60 degrees. So the final intensity will be I0 by 2 cos square theta. So by putting the value of theta here, we can find that the intensity will be I0 by 8. So the percentage of the intensity of light will decreases after passing through the analyzer will be I0 minus I0 by 8 whole divided by I0 into 100, and it's coming out to be 87.5%, which is not matched to the option. And here is the next question. The second order maxima in a planned diffraction grating is found at an angle of 30 degrees. when a monochromatic collimated light beam of wavelength 628 nanometer incident on it. The grating element will be, and the options are 6.42 micrometer, 5.02 micrometer, 3.48 micrometer and 2.51 micrometer. And here is the solution, that is, it has been asking that the second order maximum in the plane diffraction grating is found at an angle of 30 degree when a monochromatic collimated light beam of wavelength 628 nanometer incident on it. The grating element will be, we know that d sin theta is equal to n lambda because it's second order, so we can put the value of n is 2 and found the value d as 2.512 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter, that is equal to 2.51 micrometer. So the right answer will be 2.51 micrometer. Then the ratio of maxima to minima of interference of two coherent sources is found to be 64:1. The ratio of amplitude of these two coherent sources will be, and the options are 3:4, 5:7, 9:7 and 11:6. So according to the question, the ratio of a maxima to minima of the interference of two coherent sources is found to be 64:1. That is the square of root I1 plus root I2 whole divided by the square of root I1 minus root I2 is equal to 64/1. So from here we can find that root I1 by root I2 is equal to 9/7. Again we know that the intensity is proportional to A square, that is amplitude square. So from this value we can find that A1 by A2 is equal to 9/7. So the answer will be 9:7. And then appearance of different color in oil field floating on the surface of water is due to, and the options are interference, diffraction, dispersion, polarization, and the answer will be interference. Then what is the phase difference between the 2 points on a wavefront? And the options are pi/2, pi/4, 0 and pi/6. So the right answer is 0. I hope you all enjoy this session. So for more videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.